Hello everyone, this is Ahmed Don of ahmeddon.com. Today I'll have another episode of unboxing and review video, and I'll be opening the Wyze Cam Pan 1080p with Wi-Fi, night vision and two-way audio. This is the cam you are looking at right now, and it just comes in a box, white box like this. So we'll take a look at the box, and then I'll open up the box and see what's inside. And also I'll show you how to set up the cam after setting up, if it's easy to use or how difficult or user-friendly the cam is. The box is this way, and on here you can see that it tells you a 360-degree pan tilt range and 18 steps of gray enhanced night vision, and then we have a unique mic design, high quality audio. So you'll be able to actually talk through the cam. And on this side of the box, basically there is just some more information such as model number and other information, but nothing much. And on this side we have basically some other specs. For example, 1080p night vision, 120 wide angle lens and 110 quick rotation speed. I'll open the box and I'll show you what comes inside. So I emptied out the box, and this is basically all you get with the cam. The box is empty right here. So we have the cam itself, and then there's the cable, and this one actually looks like a regular micro USB cable, not a USB-C. And then we have a power adapter, and then we have a small quick start guide. So if you look at the quick start guide, then it looks like that you have to set up the app from the App Store or Google Play, and then you have to connect it to the camera, and then you have to just follow the instructions on the app. So basically it looks fairly simple. And then we have here some indications, light, for example solid yellow, flashing blue, or solid light blue. The process looks fairly simple, so I'm just going to set it up, and then we'll take a look at it after that. And then just to mention that here on the bottom of the cam looks like there's a micro USD card slot, and then there's something to set up. It could be a reset button, and then there's actually looks like a quarter-inch hole to put it on something like a tripod or something like a stand. So on top is going to be the status light, and right here is the status sensor. So we'll set it up, and then I'll show you the next step. Hello everyone, so I have set up the Wyze Cam, and the process was fairly simple. So you go to Google Play and you search for WYZE, and then once you see a match, just you have to install the Wyze Cam app, and then once you open it, it's going to go through the setup steps. And what you have to do is there's a button right here, which is right there. So once you click on it, then the app is going to pick up the cam, and then it will go through the setup process. So you have to scan a QR code, which is going to be showing up on your phone. And once you do everything, then you'll be able to see the cam on your app. So here's some basic steps I'm going to show you. So for example, this is just a recording from before, and so right now it's just connecting to the cam to show you the live view, which is right here. For example, you can see my hands right there. So what you're seeing is a live view. And then here, if you go to notification, then actually you can set it up to send you notification. It's going to come on your phone. So when there's a person, there's a detection, and then here is the send notification button. You have to turn it on or slide it over, and then person, or you can choose to have all other notification. And then here we have the detection setting, so you can set it up the sensitivity either low or medium or high. So for me it's the default, which is the low. And then we have here some more settings. And let's take a look here. And then here, if you go to more, then right now it has a motion tagging. So what it means that it's going to just tag the person or the motion, but you can change it to here like motion tracking or pan scan. So example, if you hit pan scan, and then you can see that the camera is just like scanning, and it's just showing you wide view, and then I'll just put it back to, I'll just turn off the pan scan so it will stay on motion tracking. And then once you have set up everything, so let's take a look here. So if you go to event recording, and then you can schedule it by all day or when it detects motion. So right now I'm keeping it off because I don't want it to just keep recording for nothing because I'm at home. When there's a motion detection, then it's going to actually record about for 12 to 15 seconds every 5 minutes. It's not going to keep recording continuously, but if you want continuously, then you have to pay fees to Wyze Cam, and they have that services. But if you are looking for free cloud storage of your motion detection, then you have to just it just records every 5 minutes for 12 seconds, and then you can actually access those by going to events, which is right here, and then it will show you all the live recordings, which are short clips of 12 to 15 seconds. And if you just click on any one of those, then it will just show you those recordings, and it will be just all here, and you can go by your calendar or date on top. As you can see, that picture quality is very clear. It's if you look here, it's showing the front, and it's a very good picture quality. And then you can manually record by pressing here, or by you can take photo by here, or if you want to talk, you can just hit voice, and you'll be able to talk through the cam. So, and if you want to just insert your own SD card, you will be able to do so. But I don't see any need for that. I'll just rely on the cloud. But if I decided to change it to an SD card later on, then definitely I'll put an SD card here. So basically that's all there is. The setup and everything is not bad at all. It's just fairly simple, and the sound quality or the picture quality is fairly well. So this is just it will give you a peace of mind if you have when you are not at home, because you can see your home all the time, and then you can even get notification if there is a motion detection or there's a movement. So overall, I'm happy with the product or purchase, and this is a non-affiliated review. What it means that there's not going to be any affiliated link or anything anywhere, and I haven't taken money from anyone. So what you hear or what you get is totally honest, unbiased, and non-affiliated opinion. So that's all for today. Thank you for watching this video. Forget about subscribing to this channel, forget about liking this video. There will be more videos coming up, so I'll see you shortly.